Hello, Bunny. Welcome to today's class. Do you want to learn how to install Scratch Junior on your computer so you can start coding?
Yes, Renu Ma'am. I can't wait to create fun stories and games. But I don't know where to start.
Don't worry, Bunny. I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to this website. I have mentioned the link of the website in the description of this video.
Got it! The page is loading. Oh, I see the Scratch Junior logo.
Great! This is where we'll download the app. Now, Bunny, what kind of computer are you using?
I have a Windows laptop.
Perfect! Click on Download for Windows.
It's downloading, ma'am.
Now, Bunny, find the file in your Downloads folder. It will look like this. Double-click it to start the installation.
Yay! It's done!
Well done, Bunny. Now, the dialog box will appear like this where you need to mention where you want to use the software.
Wow, ma'am, it looks so fun. I want to use it at my home.
Okay, then you select the Home option.
But ma'am, I got something like this. What should I do now?
Bunny, click the question mark to get the demo video. This will help you to understand more about Scratch Junior.
Thank you, Renu Ma'am. I will check the video to understand more about Scratch Junior.
You are welcome, Bunny. So children, if you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more such videos. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Sayonara.